show.
Oh, and?
It would be Tropical Storm Dexter. That would be the fourth named storm of the year. And it is possible, probably more than likely, something does form out of this over the Gulf here over the next 4 or 5 days. But as we look at this tropical wave, this is actually in the Atlantic right now off the east coast of Florida, off the coast of Cape Canaveral, Cocoa Beach, and just to the north of the Bahamas. And you can see it's very disorganized. And obviously, this isn't going to do anything as it's over the Atlantic, but as it moves over the peninsula tonight and early tomorrow, it does have a better chance of developing later this week over the Gulf. Over the next 2 days, about a 20% chance that it does develop into something, and then about a 30% chance that it develops over the next 7 days. So there's a decent chance, and again, you're probably saying, Carson, it's a 30% chance, 70% chance that it doesn't develop. Well, we are starting to see a positive trend in this. It was about 20% yesterday. It's up to 30% today, so I would not be surprised at all if that keeps on climbing, depending on what we are seeing over the Gulf as far as that development goes. Showers and thunderstorms over southern Houston County and northern Trinity County. We've got more rain over Sam Rayburn and just off to the north and to the northeast of that. Over Smith County, we're not seeing a lot right now, but we have seen some development further off to the north, closer to Franklin and Wood County. But here in Tyler, we're not really seeing all that much, just a few passing clouds, and that's about it. Satellite and radar, we continue to see this influx of Gulf moisture, and that has helped keep rain as mentioned in the forecast today. But over the next couple of hours, rain chances, yes, they're going to be in play. Will we see super heavy rain like what we saw yesterday and the day before? Probably not. These are probably just your average garden variety showers. But by 7 o'clock in the morning, we're really not seeing much. Maybe a few bubble up showers and thunderstorms over North Texas. So the best chance of rain tomorrow is going to be off to our west and to our southwest. By 4 o'clock, maybe a stray thunderstorm or two, but rain chances, they're going to remain very low for tomorrow. And I don't have rain in my forecast for Wednesday. But this ridge of high pressure, it will be responsible for bringing warmer air into East Texas because it's going to provide that sinking dry air. And the temperatures, when that happens, they really have no direction to go but up. It's warm this afternoon, no doubt about that. We're in the 80s and 90s. Dew points are in the 70s, so it's warm, it's humid. Tonight will fall to 73. Isolated storms possible early. Partly cloudy and humid tomorrow with high temperatures in the lower 90s. Again, it is possible we do see a stray shower or two tomorrow, but we are dry Wednesday and Thursday. High temperatures will remain in the mid-90s. Maybe an isolated storm or two Friday and Saturday thanks to the tropics, but I will tell you this, the better chance of rain late this week and into early this weekend will be that chance of a few scattered showers and thunderstorms Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. High temperatures, they're going to remain in the 90s. Isaac.